This video covers the importance of the on-site local customer contact in the Lumen installation process. The local customer contact has a critical role in the success and delivery of new capabilities for your business. What makes a great local customer contact? Availability. They will need to be on-site and available to provide Lumen and other vendors building access to complete installation work and any necessary site surveys. Partnership. If necessary, an engineer will complete a site survey. The local customer contact will partner with them to provide access and walk through the building. The engineer will conduct an inspection to identify any obstacles and create a plan. Awareness. They will need to know the access points, including where service enters the building, floor, room, or suite. If the building has several floors, typically the entry point will be found in the basement or first floor. If the business is in a plaza, for example, it is often centrally located. The property manager or building maintenance can help locate the access points. If additional work is needed to meet the space and power requirements, either at the entry point or in a floor, room, or suite, you will need to contact another vendor to get this work completed. If you're in a building where the property manager already has a preferred vendor, you will need to work within their rules. We want your service installation to be successful. By partnering with Lumen, keeping an eye on the details, and responding quickly, you will help the order stay on track and ensure that service is installed in a timely fashion. These keys to success will help you every step of the way. Thank you for partnering with Lumen.